Ate Guy, Mamita, Ricky Davao, Haji Alejandro. That's why it was painful for us to see. Tas parang nagsunod-sunod sila. Like, Tita Pilita first, then it was Ate Guy. Hello friends, I just came from ASAP. Today was a little difficult for all of us. It was pretty heavy. But at the same time, it was also good because we paid tribute to our, wonderful artists. Like Ate Guy, Mamita, Ricky Davao, Haji Alejandro. It was nice. It was beautifully done. And thank you to the staff, the crew, everyone, the cameramen for, making us look good. Jaja and I were talking and she was crying and she was saying, my goodness, this is such a hard thing to do. And I feel the same. Ang hirap. I sang for Mamita, yung kanyang very popular song, which is A Million Thanks to You. I was trying so hard not to cry because I don't want to ruin the song. But Jackie was there watching and Janine. So it was so hard. I was trying my very best because I said, I don't want to cry, because I wanted to sing the song properly. But anyway, Jaja and I were talking. We were crying. We were very emotional because these are the people that we grew up listening to and watching, and they were our heroes. And then we got to perform with them. We got to work with them. And it was so special to have been given the chance to, be able to work with these incredible people. Well, I guess it's really like that. That's why it was painful for us to see. Tas parang nagsunod-sunod sila. Like, Tita Pilita first, then it was Ate Guy. Then it was Ricky Davao. Ricky Davao became my father in one of my soap, Poor Senorita, and he was lovely. He was absolutely lovely. Helped me a lot in my acting, especially at that time because I haven't acted in a while. I apologize for my voice. I haven't acted in a while. So he was wonderful. And of course, actually, si Haji, never had a chance to really work with him. I wish that I was able to. But I would see him always. Always. I grew up listening to his beautiful songs. Oh my gosh. Rachel, of course I know. I've worked with her many times. But Haji, I was not able to. Sayang. But it was a good thing though that before he got sick, I think it was it last year? Mid last year? We had ASAP paid tribute to him and his music, and he was there. We all got to share the stage with him and Rachel. I think that was wonderful. Actually, Tita Pilit then, we had a tribute. ASAP also gave her a tribute. Ay, nako. Life is really short. Or even if it's you think medyo matagal ka na kasi matanda ka na, but we would always say life is short because I think no matter how long we are together, like when someone leaves, it's never enough. Nakakalungkot, no? But anyway, yun lang ang kwento ko today. Nakakainis pa na may sakit ako. Kung kailan ako mag-aasap, may sakit ako. Nakakatawa. Hindi nakakatawa, nakakainis. But I think they're going to have a tribute to all four of them. Mamita, Ate Guy, Haji, and I'm not sure if Ricky is included, but kasi recent lang siya eh. So sa Malacanang, they're going to have a tribute. So my husband is there attending. I was supposed to attend also, kaya lang unfortunately I'm still sick and I still have taping of ASAP tomorrow, so I need to rest. Ingat kayo kasi parang uso na naman ng sakit kasi maaraw tapos sa hapon umuulan. So, yung pong mga babies nating ingatan natin, mauuso na naman ng dengue. Bumili po tayo ng mga citronella, pang spray. Nakakatawa pero parang feeling natin parang baka naman magsispray-spray lang tayo ng ganun tapos hindi naman totoo. But I think it helps. Because I think yung skin ng bata nagiging mapait when you spray that thing, and yung lamok ayaw nila, gusto nila matamis eh. So anyway, I hope you guys are... Grabe naman tong filter na to. Hindi ko alam na may filter pala na ganun. Yung ang ganda mo lang. Social. Anyway, I hope you're having a wonderful time today. And I hope you will have a great night. Until the next time, remember, always be kind.